In this video, we'll show you how to add a new product item in RepairDesk and have it sync with Shopify. Let's first go into our RepairDesk account and go into Manage Inventory. In here, we can go into the Products tab, and from the top right-hand corner, we can select Add Product. Let's create an entry for our product. We'll input the name, the category, the stock on hand, the online price, a description, and images for the product. You'll have to click the Save Item button in the top right-hand corner at least once to get more details. Once we're done with entering all of the details, we can go down to the Sync with Shopify section and click on Yes. Now, we'll hit Save Item in the top right-hand corner. And now our product is saved into our RepairDesk inventory. Now let's head to our Shopify store, and from the right-hand menu, we'll click on Products. Once we've refreshed this pane, we can go into the search bar on top and type in our product name. You'll now see an entry for the product name we just created in the list. Click on it to open its record. Here, you'll see that we have the same pricing, the same description, same product type, and the same pictures that we uploaded in RepairDesk. This means that our product was successfully synced. And that's how you can add product entries in RepairDesk and have them sync with your Shopify store.